So you've got a Ring doorbell system, but let's be honest, you want a little bit more. You want the industrial grade grit of a Dakota Micro InnoPro IP camera. Got the Ring Alarm Pro? Good. Don't have one? Go buy one, because you don't want to buy an extra computer and a massive monitor just to see what's going on at your own house. We're over that, and so are you. Step 1, plug them in. Step 2, there is no step 2. It's that simple. There's always a step 2. Open the Ring app. Scroll to the bottom and select Set up a device. Select Set up a non-Ring device or choose manually. Scroll all the way to the bottom and select OnVIF compatible cameras. Select Continue and continue. It's going to search for your InnoPro camera. Yahoo! Select your InnoPro camera and tap Authorize. If this is a brand new InnoPro, the username is admin and the password is 123456. Select Got It and boom. You're seeing InnoPro clarity right next to your doorbell camera. Total home dominance, this is industrial strength for your driveway, your barn, or your shop. Now for step 3. Gotcha. There is no step 3, but you should go over to your neighbor's house and brag about your InnoPro cameras. Work tough, live easy, now go get it done. So you never have to worry about your camera breaking in extreme weather. InnoPro cameras are rugged, relentless, and made right here in the USA.